Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English 360. I'm so happy you're here today. If you like fun English talks, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more.
Hello, everyone. Yes, and today we have something super exciting. We are going to learn English for travel, especially at the airport, hotel, and taxi. It's going to be fun and easy.
Oh, yes, traveling can be stressful if you don't know what to say. But don't worry, today we will make it simple and fun. Are you ready?
Ready? Let's start with the airport. Imagine you just arrive at a new country. You need to check your luggage and go through customs. What do you say first?
Hmm, I think the first thing is to greet the airport staff, right? Something like, hello, good morning.
Exactly. Always start with a friendly greeting, and then you can ask questions. For example, where is the check-in counter for flight number 123?
Oh, I always get confused with flight numbers. Can you repeat that slowly?
Sure. You say, where's the check-in counter for flight number 123? Simple, right?
Yes. And that's easy. And after check in, we go to security, right? Sometimes I feel nervous there.
Ha ha ha, yes. Security can be a bit scary, but you just say, good morning, here's my passport and ticket, and everything will be fine, right?
Oh, that's good. And sometimes they ask questions like, do you have any liquids in your bag?
Then you answer politely, no, I don't have any liquids, or yes, I have a small bottle of water. Short and simple sentences are best.
Oh, I remember one time I said a very long sentence and the officer looked very confused.
Aha, yes, beginners often do that. Keep it short and clear. It's better for communication.
And after security, it's time to find the gate, right? How do we ask?
You can ask, excuse me, where is gate number 10? Or can you tell me the way to gate 10? Simple, friendly, and polite.
Wow, that's easy to remember. And sometimes I feel tired. Can I ask for help if I'm lost?
Of course, you can say, excuse me, I am a little lost. Can you help me, please? People are usually very helpful.
Perfect. I like that. And maybe a small joke. I am lost, but I hope not on the plane.
Ha ha. That's funny, learners. Remember, small jokes make conversations friendly. Don't be afraid to smile.
Okay, now we are at the boarding gate. What do we say when the staff checks our boarding pass?
You can say, good morning. Here's my boarding pass and my ID, please. Simple and polite.
Oh, that's easy. And when the staff says, enjoy your flight, we can say,
You can say, thank you. I'm excited. A little smile always helps.
haha, yes. And during the flight, sometimes we want water or snacks. How do we ask?
Easy. Just say, excuse me, can I have some water, please? Or can I have a snack, please? Very polite.
Simple sentences. I like it. And after the flight, we arrive at the city. Next stop is the hotel.
Yes. When we reach the hotel, first we need to check in. What do we say at the reception?
Hmm, maybe. Hello, I have a reservation under the name John Smith.
Exactly. And if they ask for your ID or passport, you say, sure, here it is.
Sometimes I forget how to ask about my room. How do I say it?
You can ask politely, can you tell me the room number, please? Or where is my room? Very simple.
Oh, I see. And what about special requests? For example, extra towels or a late checkout.
Easy. You can say, excuse me, can I have extra towels, please? Or can I check out a little later? Always polite and friendly.
Ha ha ha, yes. And maybe sometimes the room is not ready yet. What do we say?
You can say, no problem, I can wait. Thank you for your help. Positive and polite.
Perfect. And I like to ask about hotel facilities, like the gym or swimming pool.
Yes, you can ask, excuse me, where's the gym? Or can you tell me where the swimming pool is? Very simple.
Easy sentences. I think I'm ready for hotel check-in now. Haha.
Haha. That's the spirit. And remember, always smile, be polite, and say thank you. That's the secret to friendly conversations.
Oh, yes. And maybe a little joke here. I hope the bed is bigger than my suitcase.
Haha. Good one. Travelers love little jokes. It makes the conversation fun and easy to remember.
Okay, now we are settled in the hotel. Next, maybe we want to explore the city. How do we ask for directions?
Very easy. You can say, "Excuse me, can you tell me how to go to the museum?" Or, "Where is the nearest restaurant, please?"
Ah, that's simple. And if someone says, go straight and turn left, I sometimes forget left and right. Haha.
Ha 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 ha. Don't worry, beginners do that. Just repeat, "Go straight and turn left, thank you." Repeating helps you remember.
Yes, repeating is good. And sometimes we call a taxi. What do we say when we call?
You can say, "Hello, I need a taxi, please." "Can you come to my hotel?" Very polite and clear.
Oh, that's easy. And what if the taxi driver asks, where to?
You can answer, "Please take me to the city center." Or, "Can you take me to the museum?" Short and simple sentences.
And sometimes I feel nervous. Can I ask, how much will it cost?
Yes, perfect. You can say, "Excuse me, how much is the ride to the city center?" Very polite and easy to understand.
And what if I want to pay with a card? I get confused sometimes.
You can ask politely, "Can I pay by card, please?" Simple and friendly.
Oh, very easy. And during the ride, can I chat a little with the driver?
Of course, you can say, "Is this your first time driving today?" Or, "The city looks beautiful." Short, friendly sentences.
Ha ha ha. I like that. And maybe a small joke. I hope the taxi goes faster than my walk-in speed.
Yes, little jokes are great. They make learning English fun. Polite, simple, short sentences and a little smile. That's the secret to easy English while traveling.
Wow. Today we learned so much from airport check-in to security, boarding, hotel check-in, and even taxi conversations.
Yes. And remember, learners, the key is simple sentences, polite questions, and a friendly smile. Little jokes make it fun too.
Ha ha. Yes. Like my joke at the hotel. I hope the bed is bigger than my suitcase.
Ha ha, good one. And don't worry if you make mistakes. Every mistake is a learning step.
Oh, yes. And maybe you can practice these conversations with a friend. Pretend you are at the airport or hotel. It's fun and very useful.
Absolutely. And try to repeat key phrases, for example, "Where is gate 10?" Or, "Can you tell me where the swimming pool is?" Repetition helps you remember.
Yes. And remember, always say thank you, be polite, and don't forget to smile. Friendly conversations are easy conversations.
Exactly. And here's a little challenge. Next time you travel, try to use at least 3 sentences we learned today. You will feel confident.
Wow, that's a great tip. Learners, you can do it. Traveling can be fun if you know what to say.
And that's all for today's chat. Did you enjoy it? I hope yes.
If you liked this chat, subscribe for more fun English talks and don't forget to hit the like button.
And check out our other videos to learn more English for everyday situations. Keep practicing and see you next time.
Bye bye, everyone. Happy traveling and happy learning English.
Bye. Keep smiling and speaking English naturally.